Welcome back to Andy's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to block someone on Gumtree. Let's begin. Now, the first thing you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time on Gumtree, click on the register button. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Now, blocking someone on Gumtree is a straightforward and easy process and could be necessary for several reasons related to maintaining your safety, privacy, and overall positive experience on the platform. For example, you have been talking to a specific user here and you are engaged in a harassive, abusive language or making inappropriate demands. Blocking them can protect you from further unwanted interactions. And for example, if you suspect a user is attempting to scam or defraud you, blocking them can prevent them from contacting you further and protect you from potential financial harm. All you're gonna do is, as you can see, for example, this is the person. I'm not saying it is, just for example, all right? Now, if this user repeatedly sends irrelevant messages or offers, blocking them can help reduce annoyance and clutter in your messages right here. All you're gonna do is click on the report option. You have these choices that you can get. It's illegal, fraudulent, it's add a spam, add as duplicate, add is in the wrong category, and a lot more. And for example, if you wanted to make sure that you wanted to block this person, all you're gonna do is provide more information for the Gumtree to help them improve the platform itself in terms of filtering these kind of sellers. Click on the send report. Now, for example, if you have already established a conversation with the specific buyer, all you're gonna do is just here and click on the next user and of course click on block. That's it. Otherwise, just ignore all of the messages that you're gonna be receiving from that specific seller or buyer. Otherwise, the next option that you can do is go to the help and contact. Go to the section right here that says block messages. I want you to click on it. Right here. Okay? But if you still needed more information about that and needed more troubleshooting steps and guidelines, just click on this option right here. Contact us option. Select a topic. And there you go. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.